Hello everybody, welcome back. We're gonna try a perfect run today. Gonna give it a shot. Gonna switch over here to mission 10, Wolf Mountain. The last video we had a really good run, did a near perfect run on occupied residence. I forget what mission number that is. Mission 2, I think. But I was playing this a little bit last night, and I got the bright idea. I got the bright idea I can maybe do this going through the Berghof. So let's check our spawning point here. Yeah, that's right. We want to do the lakeside path, I think. Yeah, we have to. Not the mountain overlook, the default one, not the Berghof guardhouse, but the lakeside path. And try a perfect run from here. Zero, all stealth. No detections. All non-lethal. One exception is our target. That's it. I think exceptions are allowed if it's the primary target, so that we can even exfiltrate. So there's going to be a 1. Everything else, any alarms set off, any detection scores or bodies found, we want all zeros on that. And this is such a roll of the dice. Let me start the game. Let's get loaded up here. There it is, the Berghof.
Adolf Hitler, leader of the Third
I'm gonna let
Reich,
this play.
is on vacation at his mountain retreat
part here
over
I like.
Salzburg, Germany, to reflect on the ongoing Allied invasion of Europe. SOE want this to be the last time he's there. We've studied Hitler's routine. His daily ritual, traveling from the Berghof to the nearby tea house, is when he's most vulnerable. Taking the head off the snake won't end the war overnight, but it should force an early surrender from the rest of the Reich. The war will be over by Christmas.
This part, he senses something. Okay, he knows something's not right today. We spawned over 100 meters away. He didn't actually hear us jump down. He just
chances like this?
He just senses something.
Got to make the most of it.
He just senses
Now
something.
let's kill Hitler.
Not right. Okay. All right. Let's run our character here, Carl Fairborn. Let's run old Carl up here to the back of the Berghof. We're gonna sneak in, sneak around. Yeah, the first part of this is, I don't think, is a problem. The real roll of the dice is at the end, where we exfiltrate. We have to run down the middle of the road, and it's so unpredictable, predicting the traffic. A truck, a motorcycle, a Kubel wagon come down the road and detect us, and see us. That's gonna be the real roll of the dice. Slow down, Carl. Catch your breath. We don't want these guards to hear us running, or your heavy breathing. Okay, a couple guys up there having a little chit chat. Okay. Let this guy pass. So far so good. He's gone. He's gone. So we're doing okay. That guy's off on patrol. You have 3 guards up here. I could actually ran a little bit there, but let's just keep it quiet. Go down these steps. There's a 3 over there. This guy down here at the bottom has always been a problem for me, but I got brave and I figured out how to get around him. Actually, this guard there's another one inside the garage. I've always had to take these 2 out. And I figured out how to get around them. Okay. I think. All it takes is 1 misstep here. And, yeah. All it takes is 1 misstep and it's all over. Okay. We usually go in that window. I usually take him out and throw him in the window to hide his body. And then, where's this guy? Okay, oh, he's on the other side of the car. Okay. Right around him. That second window is the key. The guy in the truck, hopefully he's occupied as he usually is. We can get up this undetected. Where's the, okay. I think we can go. Oh, don't see us. This is a tricky part, being completely undetected. We're there. We're there. All right. This third floor. Okay, so we're on the third floor of the Berghof. Oh, wait. I get a tag. Our target is just arrived down at the tea house. It is a morning routine. You can tag him. Okay? That will
Adolf Hitler. There he is.
Okay. That will be useful later, him being tagged like that. All right, so he's going to be down there for a little while. That'll give us a chance to set a trap. Going to do this in a way, I'm going to do this a little different. Instead of the usual ways of taking out the Fuhrer, I think we're going to run up here. I don't think there's any guards up here on the third floor. If there is, it's going to be down here by the stairs. Pretty sure. Maybe down around this corner. This, we may be all clear. Yeah, we're good. We're gonna go up to his private quarters and set a little trappy poo for him. He doesn't normally come up here until the end of the day. Yeah, his private quarters. Nice. Right. Sitting area. Beautiful big balcony out here. Private bathroom. Bed. He likes to come over here and read. In front of the fireplace, I believe. Walks around, admires his works of art and sculptures and stuff. This is his safe room. His safe room is behind here. We can open it up. We don't need to go in. So he doesn't normally come up here till the end of the day, but we're going to try to trigger an event. If there's a security breach, if the Berghof comes under attack, he'll run up here for a safe place to go. So we're going to try to trigger that event. Make him come up here and run into the trap. So we need to go down to the... Wait, there's a guard down here. We need to make our way down to the basement. Go out the south entrance, I believe. Let's see if we can get around this guy here. Okay. See if we can... Don't look this way. Oh boy. He slowed down. Jesus. That was so close. It's not how I planned to do it, but we got away with it. All right, down here. There's two guys down here. To the left is the armory. There's this bowling alley. Let's keep moving. There's two guards down here in the basement. I don't see either one of them. Got lucky there. We're gonna head down to the mailroom for just a second. We could sabotage a package for him, and we're not gonna do that. And down here you can put a mine behind these bowling pins. You can take them out that way. It's one of the many ways. When he goes bowling, it sets it off. And one of the bowling pin goes and takes him out by hitting him in the head. Is that other guard okay here? All right, let's sneak over to the mailroom. The other way you can take him out here is his package.
A package for the Fuhrer. It'll already have been checked to make sure it's safe. Easy enough to make it unsafe.
All right, let's go outside here. So we already have the trap set. We can start thinking about... Oops. Okay, there's those two guys. And there's a guy on patrol over here. Oh, there he goes. Just kind of got a glimpse of him. Okay. Get down here in the high grass. Huh, okay, we're halfway there. Where's that gonna go? I gotta go. Okay, he's gone. Let's follow this guy. Tricky business here. Okay, not too close. Not too close. Make the turn. All right. So far, so good. Anybody else up that way? Nope. All right. We're almost in position here, I think, where we can trigger that event. Now the trick is here. Okay, on the other side of this, what we're gonna do is, if this works, we're gonna try to escape by jumping over this fence. Probably gonna have to hide behind them trucks for a minute. Watch out for any traffic. Here comes one now. What is it? A truck? Kuba wagon? Motorcycle? It's a Kuba wagon. Hey, so we'll have to watch for those couple of guards up there. Probably be able to time that properly, but it's just the unpredictability of that traffic. Any trucks, motorcycles, Kuba wagons come down there. Could be bad timing. That might be the difference in whether we go completely undetected or not. I mean, if we get detected, I might still probably run past them, and but we won't get all zeros. All right, so that icon down there, where we tagged Hitler, see it in the middle of the screen there. He should be about finished up down at the tea house and on his way back up here. What are we gonna do here? I think to trigger this, I'm gonna have to obviously set off a security alert or some sort, without harming anybody or being seen doing it. So I think the thing to do is when he comes up here, when the car comes up here and pulls in the driveway, that's the driveway on the other side of this little fence here. Once he pulls up there and gets out, I think I'm going to throw a grenade up in the area and hopefully not close enough to injure him or any of his guards. There's a guy up there at the top of the... So I have to be careful where I throw the grenade at. I think... And hopefully that'll be enough to set him running, cover, up to his safe room, which is up on that third floor, that balcony up there. That's where we were just at up there, and that's his private quarters. So we can scare him into running for safety up there. He should find our little trap. And then, yeah, but that's going to put everybody else on alert. They'll be looking. And we're going to have to try to sneak out of here unseen. Okay? All right, he is due. He should be getting in his car. Where are we at here? Should be, I think it's about 10, 11, 12 minutes into the game. We're at 10 minutes now. So, he should be getting in his car any minute now. There's really nothing else we can do to prepare, I don't think. We should probably make sure we have a grenade called up. Like a sticky grenade. Oh, that's what we'll do. Maybe if I threw a sticky grenade over on that one railing up there. I want to just toss it up the side, just anywhere up in the area, because the soldier could be, just anywhere. So I have to try to get it just right. Is this like... Oh, he's on his way. Here he comes. The icon's moving. He's in the car. Car's coming up the road. Come up over here somewhere and turn in the driveway. I'm nervous. I'm pretty confident everything would be fine. I'm getting up here. Probably do the grenade right. I'll get up there and trigger the trap. It's the getting out part that has me a little bit nervous. Once these guys go on alert, here he comes. Come on, what's the hold up? All right, there he comes up the driveway. Dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. I should probably be over here. I want somebody to start down them steps and see me throwing the grenade. All right, there's a fountain, I think, up there in the driveway. I'm driving around the fountain. get out, head for those steps. All right, there I think they park. Getting out. I think he's out, headed for the steps. Guard just passed up there. Okay. Say, I only want to harm one. Yeah, he's definitely going up the steps. I throw this and make it stick close enough. That should be good. Okay, cool. All right, there he goes. He's running. He's running. That's it. The whole way upstairs. No detours. No stops. Meanwhile, the little mini map down on the bottom left is all yellow. Everybody's on alert. Go on, keep going. Up them steps. There you go. Down the hall. There it is. Hey, that's our score of 1. Objective complete.
Target's down. Now they get the hell out of here before they put the whole place in lockdown.
I know. Can we get out of here? There's a guard. See the mini map? The yellow right in front of me? There's a guard right up there. He needs to... Okay, he's moving. Yeah, I can't play... I have the difficulty level set on normal. There's no way I can play this on the higher difficulty levels. I at least need the mini map. There goes a vehicle. Okay. Get across here. Anybody else gonna come? Now, a couple guards up here. Are they gonna be near the gates? Can we just run for it? Is this a good timing? Should we stay over here in the shade? In the shadows? Are we gonna make it? Are we gonna make it? No vehicles. We're there. Come on. Come on. I think we got a perfect score. I think I did it. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see our report, or our field report at the end here. All right, let's skip this. Okay, 1 star. Mission completed. Yeah, we skipped the optional objectives. Just did the primary objective. Scorecard. Stealth 0. Bodies discovered 0. Detection score 0. Kills 1. Enemies unconscious 0. And spared enemies tagged 0. Look at that. Mission time 15 minutes. Complete. Perfect score. Right? Ta-da! We did it. All right. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you've been around a while, thanks for joining us again. Let's see what else we can get up to. Maybe next time, maybe the next video we'll do something different and go cause trouble. Okay? We'll do the opposite. Maybe we'll go in guns a-blazing, kicking in the front door kind of approach to it. But I'm happy to have pulled this off. All right, that's all we got. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.